Hey everyone, in this AP Chem series video, we're going to begin taking a look at the periodic trend in ionization energy by describing exactly what that is. So remember from some of the previous videos that atoms have certain properties that change in predictable ways throughout the periodic table. One of those that we've talked about already is atomic radius that increases steadily towards the bottom left of the periodic table. In this video, we're going to take a look at some other atomic properties that change in predictable ways, like ionization energy. So ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron. That's really important. We're specifically removing an electron from an atom in the gaseous state. So we can model this process using the carbon atom shown at the right. This electron here in the outermost ring is attracted to that positive nucleus. That's why energy is required. You have to break that attraction in order to remove the electron. Here's how the whole thing might look. We're going to go ahead and pluck off that outermost electron. It has officially been removed from the atom. The atom now changes because I've taken away a negative particle. The atom is now +1, and technically it's not an atom at all. We've changed it into a carbon ion. So that's how the whole process would look. Now on paper, we often model this with an equation so it's easier to write. It's going to begin with the symbol for the atom having the electron removed, in this case simply carbon. Energy was required to remove that electron, so we're going to show plus energy on the reactants side. On the products side, we'll show that carbon changed to a +1 ion and the electron that has been removed. Measuring this amount of energy is a measurement of the ionization energy of carbon. So when you're looking at the trend in ionization energy, you'll notice that typically we use a term called first ionization energy. What's meant by the word first ionization energy is simply the energy to remove one single electron from an atom. And that one single electron, if it's the first one to be removed, it's going to be coming from the outermost shell, like we showed with the removal of the electron from our carbon atom. It's going to come from that outermost shell because that's the electron that's farthest away from the nucleus and easiest to remove. Therefore, it comes off first. These make up some of the key ideas for this video. Make sure you've paused and taken a moment to write them down. And that wraps it up for this introduction to ionization energy. Thanks for watching, and here's a brief summary.